Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and if you're into Huck's World. Today we got Prado Design in the building, bringing us something different, something new, and it is not watch faces. Now, Prado Design is tapped into the Samsung theme store and he's going to be bringing us themes. Now, if you follow his product, the guy gets down on creating awesome watch faces. I'm quite sure he's going to do the same thing in the Samsung theme store. Now, the name of this theme is called Liberty. You got other developers that are tapping into it as well. And the theme is very simple, but yet nice. In the AOD mode, you're gonna get a nice design. You're gonna get a very simple look for when the phone is on. Same thing for your lock screen, your dialer, your contacts. Again, this is his first one. Everything is very simple and he has a 5.0 rating already, which means that this theme is doing very well thus far. And if you're a follower of his watch faces, his product, then you might want to follow this guy in the Samsung theme store as well. I'm looking forward to seeing what he brings next to the theme store, and I'm excited where this is going so far as 2019 is concerned. Now, I do also like the way the keys change in the navigation bar with this thing. Not a bad look at all. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.